Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about variable in PHP. Variables are used to store data like string of text, numbers, etc. Variable values can change over the course of a script. In PHP, a variable does not need to be declared before adding a value to it. PHP automatically converts the variable to the correct data type depending on its value. After declaring a variable, it can be reused throughout the code. The assignment operator used to assign value to a variable. We can write single line comments using double slash. And for multi-line comments, we use slash and asterisk. And for closing the comments, we use asterisk and slash. We can also use for single line comments this hash symbol. So echo this is my first line, break line, and then echo this is my second line. So here is the result. Let's add a break line here. Let's use print statement. We can use print or echo, but we will use echo. We will not use print. And if we want to use apostrophe in our string, then we can use quotation mark for text. And if we want to use apostrophe while we have this, then we can use backslash. Let's declare few variables. Math 40, physics 45, and the total math plus physics. And the total marks total. And here it is. And we can also use decimal. And if we use this quotation marks, then we can write variable inside the quotation marks. But if we write this in single quote, then it will show like this. So that's the difference between quotation mark and single quote. Let's declare few variables, first name, then last name, we can concat different strings by using this dot. Let's add a space here. Let's take an example of Boolean. So the result, assign a value false. There is nothing, but if we set it to true, the result is 1. And if we set the value to null, then it will show nothing. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.